Alright, the first step in this video is to get the height of the tool dead center with the lathe center here. So we're going to move it out, move it over, loosen it up a little bit, spin it around, just make sure that we're on height. We want to make sure that our tool is on center. And what we're looking at is getting the top of the tool with the point of the lathe center. Okay, so we've got it where we want it. Now we need to get 45-degree angle on here. We're going to use this 45-degree angle to cut our chamfer. We're doing a 5/8 thread on this. We'll move that back a little. We're done with that. Okay, so now we're going to come back. And we're going to move over this way just slightly. And we can turn our tool just about any direction we want. So it looks like right there, that edge of that tool is, whoops, we're not at 45 degrees. Must have got bumped. Right about there is what we're looking for. The edge of this tool, 45 degrees. And again, like most things, we can come off a lot of different faces on the part. We can come off the center, we can come off anything that we need to. Okay, so let's make sure we got this tightened up. And we're just going to cut a chamfer, just a slight chamfer on the nose. And we'll cut this at about 350. Nice and easy. And there we go. We've got the chamfer cut. So now let me pause for a second. Now what we're going to do is we're going to 5/8, 18, 2/8 fit. There's my major diameter, pitch diameter, minor diameter. So the minor diameter, we're going to go 557 on this part, minus about 10, so it's going to be 547 diameter. So we're going to take this in and just come back. And just take it right in. I usually stop quite early and we'll measure this. See what we get. 554. So we're about 554, which is great. Okay, we want that little bit of clearance there because we need it. So that's how we put the chamfer on the front. We put the groove back, a place to stop. Now we can put a little bluing on it. Once it's blued, if we want to blue it, then we're going to make a scratch pass just to make sure the threads are right. And then we're ready to start cutting our threads. So as always, if you have questions or comments, shoot me a text or email and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.